Yeah, I'd say I completely agree with you that if Messi hadn't had Ronaldo and Ronaldo hadn't had Messi.
Yeah, would they have gone that far?
I don't think so.
That's an open question.
I don't think so.
Yes.
But for me, there is nobody like Messi. His pure love for the game for its own sake.
You're a Barca guy?
Yes.
Oh, really? Yeah, I can tell from the way you're talking about it. The way you...
You got me.
Yeah. Nothing against it, but...
Yes, sure.
Well...
I mean, Iniesta.
Xavi, Busquets, Iniesta.
Puyol. That was a legendary team.
Yes. No, but look, you can compare them like this. Iniesta, Xavi, Busquets, Messi, Ronaldinho, Piqué.
Ronaldinho, yes.
Ronaldinho, he was a bit earlier. That Barcelona team, from roughly 2008 to 2012, that 4-year period, only one team in history can compare with them, Real Madrid, from 2014 to 2018. They won in 2014, in 2016, 2017, and 2018. The only interruption was Barcelona's team with Neymar.
With Neymar, yes.
With Suarez and Messi, that was 2015. Well, let's leave that aside. But, with Modric, Kroos, Casemiro, Ronaldo, Benzema, Marcelo, Carvajal, Casillas, and this team compared to Victor Valdés, Piqué, Puyol, Dani Alves, Jordi Alba, Busquets, Xavi, Iniesta, Villa, and Messi, for me, those are the two greatest teams. Different generations, different squads. For me, they truly represent true dream teams at football, at club level. That's the comparison.